So I am back and we're gonna make believe like this is the morning after. Okay? So let's make believe that tomorrow is today and today is tomorrow. And you've woken up, you've done your makeup, now it's time to take your hair down. So I shall proceed to do so. Look at that makeup. My makeup looking like a million motherfucking bucks. And I'm gonna wipe it off. Now this is the part where I told you can wear it going back or you can keep it flowing to the front. Me personally, I'm just going to leave it kind of spiky in the front. I actually like that look. Just a little spiky in the front. So the pins will actually create the lift that you need. So it's a little higher in the front. But I don't need to touch anything up. But this is when you would touch your hair up. And honestly, this style is so bomb because it's short. So since it's short, it can just curl on top of each other. It's not like it's long where you're laying on the curl or you're crushing it. That's why I did the 2 pins in the front. But yeah, if you wanted to, you can just take your nails. You can just fluff. your hair, and you're good to go. I'm excited. This is one of the looks that I wanted to do. I actually wanted to do kind of like a pixie kind of cut, but to be honest, that's not fun for me. I like edgy looks, and this is super duper edgy. Like, I love my side profile. Why is my side profile so bomb? But yeah, this is what you would do. You would get the brush it down. If you wanted to, you can use some more of the Nairobi. You can also use some more of the Chi. It all depends on what you wanted. But honestly, Chi is bomb. I'm running out of the Chi, so we're not going to hit it with some Chi right now. But yeah, this is the hair. This is super duper. If you wanted to, you can, like, you see how this is like straight? I'm just pushing it down. You could actually like recurl, but I don't want to put too much heat on my leave out. But yeah, this hair is super duper bomb, and you would just make it crazy. Like, you could fluff it, you know. It's one of those styles that it doesn't necessarily have to be super duper like perfect. But like I said, I would curl this, but since I pinned it, it has some volume in here to keep it going back. This will be cute. Now if you wanted to curl it all the way going back, that'll be cute too. But I have some curl going this way, some curl going this way, some just the first layer going back, everything else is to the front, and it's super duper easy. I would say if you don't have a mesh wrap, please invest in one. If you don't have a mesh wrap, these are fine too. It just makes a lot of noise, like I said in my other video. But this is good to like put on your leave out. Like, if you wanted to, you can tie it. You can literally go like this. Like, yes, you look weird from the side, but not from the front. But if you wanted to, you can pin this just to keep it. So if you didn't want to put the pins in your hair, you can use this to create that volume for you. Keep it out your face. It won't get wet when you're in the shower. And this is amazing. But I would say invest in the mesh wrap, only because it gives your bonnet something to grip to. You don't want the bonnet just sitting on your sides because it may snag. Sometimes if I forget to put my mesh wrap or I can't find it, my bonnet will snag on the sides of my hair, which is not good. So yeah, I would say invest in a mesh wrap. If not, your black wrap strips, your bonnet, and your scarf, you're good to go. I feel like all of that protection is bulletproof just to keep your style perfect, because you don't want to cut and do all of this curling. You wake up and your style is like messed up. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like. So I feel like if you want to go 1 2 3 out the door, this is the style for you. It was super easy to create, super easy to cut, to curl, and to maintain. So I hope you guys enjoyed my nighttime routine on how I maintain this hair. Until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.